Okay, so the blade's starting to heat up pretty well. So let's get it sort of started here. Oh, holy fuck. Yeah, nope. Still too hot for that. That's gonna be an interesting idea. Boy. We'll see. Oh man, I can't believe that is a big ass knife. There. From a land before time, when the ancient people were fighting against the alien oppressors. Since back in the day of it, we were like chimp and gorilla. So we had blade as fucking big and axe as long as the fucking mountains. And we bashed our oppressors back to the stars. Fucking Christ. That's how fucking history went. I am just gonna fucking laugh. They'd be like, yeah, we did. Cause I can just picture those fucking things go, those guys just going like, yeah, no, we made that life form. Yeah, that was our thing. No. Because we didn't think the species of ape, we thought, we were thinking, oh, they're the smartest. We never thought they'd be more fucking violent than the others. Which, honestly, makes a lot more sense. But, oh well. Shit. Hopefully, because that piece, because that blade is so thin, or it might be so thin, I might be able to stretch it out. Then the hard part's gonna be the tang. You see how big that fucking thing was? Oh Lord. But if I thin that part as well, that could also be part of the blade. Or hear me out. Oops. I could make, like, just like when I did with back in the day when I was on Facebook, just cut a line there and just make a super guard, which is just a round guard, like just around the blade as an integral guard. I could do that way. I think I have enough that it's going to be thick enough that it's going to be able to do that. So I might just do that. Save myself some fucking work. Might be the only katana with an integral suba. Oh. That's going to be an interesting blade. That's going to be interesting. Oh well. We shall see what happens. If it looks like I know what the fuck I'm doing, I thank you for your time. If it looks like I know what the fuck I'm doing, just know. I'm trying. There. Looks like it's just gonna get. Oh well. Once it gets flatter. Up. Yeah, like I said, I don't know what kind of steel this is. I have no idea. Really? Well, anything about this knife. I just know it's fucking massive. I hope my quench tank can fucking do it. Should. Oh well. I've quenched about 30-inch blades in there. Should be fine. Oh Lord. Yeah. Mind you, this is a really thick piece of steel. I am impressed. Didn't think I'd be making a katana this early, but I guess I fucking am. Oh, another thing I'm probably doing, not my next weekend off, but the next one's gonna be my steel bow. Yeah, because I'm gonna get myself a bowstring. I already got the steel. Roll for it. I got arrows. It's gonna be grand. It's gonna be grand. I just gotta find that bit of wood. I'm sure I'll find it. Yeah, I got a little bit of hardwood there that would have been a perfect handle for and where you put your arrow. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's gonna be interesting. People are gonna be like, that can't be done. It will be done. Very well. There. It's starting to get a little bit thinner. It's time to be further down and further down as we go. That should be the whole fucking blade. Once I get that wide enough, I'll be able to light press it harder this way. It should go longer. My hope is I don't fucking accidentally stretch the steel out, which I think might be next to impossible. But again, we'll see. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Hey, but with expert timing. Ah. I know it's the wrong people. Shut up. Seeing the flying chicks was terrifying. Oh, shit. Oh, Christ. So, oh, shit. Oh, dear. Have you guys noticed I'm a little fucking crazy? And I'm sober. Yeah, I haven't smoked yet. That's probably hard to fucking believe. Shit. Oh, fuck the tips. That's getting a little bit. There. That's not even a break. Oh, what the fuck that is. I guarantee you half the fucking people are just gonna be like, that guy is racist and shit. Dude, all the shit I've said on my channel before, I am not. I like racist jokes. I make fun of everybody because I care about everybody. Is everyone gonna care for my sense of humor? Fuck no, but that's why I love it. Alright. Oh, Christ. Actually, that'll save me on glue, too. Yeah. Because these things don't have glue on these blades. Like on their handles and stuff. Christ, yeah! Ay, ja, den Bluetooth-Taban! Oh! No, that's too high. That's Chinese. Sorry. Oh! Here, give me 1 second. Oh! This Bluetooth-Taban! It gives me great dishonor, but I have to go and whack it 4 times. So that way, I can go wacha to the damn mangoes. There we go. Yeah, I was going too high like Chinese. I should have been low like Japanese. Oh. Christ almighty. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude. At least it's better than the Vietnamese. Oh. I have no, like, just absolutely none on there. I am just fucking dicking around here. Only reason why I didn't do an Egyptian accent when I was making the blade, I have no idea how to fucking do an Egyptian accent. I assume it's Muslim, but I'm not gonna fucking say it. Just in fucking case. At least y'all heard what a Japanese accent is. Stretched a little bit, but not much. Fuck. Oh. Oh man, I so want to just. Oh man. Oh wow, 23 minutes already. Woo! Yeah, bye. Honestly, there's so much meat in there. There's so much fucking good metal in that blade. Holy fuck. Why you bend the way I don't want you to bend? Brave dishonor! Fuck it, I'm gonna do these. Yep, I don't care. Or how bad they are. I'm still gonna keep doing it. I don't care. I may have to wait in the afternoon there, because fuck, this blade's just not wanting to keep the temperature for a bit. Jesus Christ. Oh well. once I realign the tip up there, make the blade go a bit, do a light curve. I'm gonna have to pound the spine eventually, but I fucking don't wanna. It's so fucking thin. I don't wanna redo that blade. I just want to make blade a bit thinner so it fucking grows. Like just old big Japanese dick festival. Want that to grow. That is a real thing. Look it up. That is a real thing. By the time I'm done, this katana's gonna be like about as a katana, like a fucking Shinto shrine. And I've hit my first problem with you. You have crack. You're supposed to have no quack! Why you have quack? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the spine there first and then do that. Oh, well, worst case scenario, I make it get a bit thinned out because the katana's a pretty thin-ish blade. I say thin, but the edge geometry is actually not that bad, weirdly enough. It's quite similar to this one. Except, like, you know how, like, the spine is there? Well, it would actually, the katana's blade would be the reverse. It has a weird, thin-ish blade, thin-ish spine, and then the blade, it kind of goes there. It's not, like, going to be extravagant, you're probably not going to see it, but the blade's edge is good for, It would be a lot better if I had a long sword, to kind of say. But yeah, no, like, it's starting to, and that's a good thing. Yeah, and it only has like a slight 10-degree curve. Like, it's not that much of a curve. And traditionally, I'd be using iron sand and with charcoal to make the steel. That's why people say, like, oh, a real katana was folded 1,000 times. No. What they did was, give me a second. What they did was forge it, like get this little steel, probably come out here off after like it's been forged, or fold it. So really, they probably only did it like 16 or 20 times, but every time you fold it, the folds would be doubled, right? So let's say you had 8 folds in this, you had 16 layers. So that's why people say, like, oh, this was a full, like, 10,000, it was folded 1,000 times. In kind of mantra. Not really true. It's kind of more folded at least, I want to say 30 or 40 times. Did a sandmai, did that again, and got like a fucking few hundred or a few thousand layers. Here's to it. That's probably how that happens. Because yeah, they also sand mine it too. Every time you, like, if you do a sand mine, it'd be easier if I had a wrought iron to show you, but I'll have that later. I'll probably describe it later. But yeah, no, you would get like a, just a small bit of like iron or steel, put the hard steel in there, pound it, okay, so it would be fused later, then they fold it again. Oh yeah, so many folding. This one fold. Oh my god. I wouldn't be surprised if fucking Japan started banning my videos. It was cool, like, you cannot watch this Canadian redneck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo the blade here. Fuck it. I'm gonna have to cut this edge off because I can't use the edge. Yeah. And if I keep doing that, I'm gonna keep fucking up the fucking good knife a lot more than it already has. But if this does fuck up somehow, like the whole blade breaks off too much, I'm still gonna have enough to make like a little wakizashi. I know, but I know it's gonna be like a sad thing, but that whole tang can make one wakizashi, which is about a pig, just through the tang alone. So that's not too bad. I'm just kind of more dicking around with the blade than anything. Wow, a half hour of this. Alright guys, if you like this video here, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.